how to remove echo in Audacity. First, you want to either import your audio file or record one. I'm just going to record an example here. So you want to talk into the microphone. Okay, so I have my sample here. And let's say that there's an echo right here after you have spoken into the mic. Now you want to first highlight the echo part of your audio. Then you will go into Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, and you will click on Noise Reduction. The first thing that we have to do is click on Get Noise Profile. Again, once you have selected the echo part. Afterwards, you will double click on the audio track and select the entire thing. And again, you will go into Noise Removal, Noise Reduction. Here, you can play around with the sensitivity and the level of noise reduction, and you can preview it. Here. So you want to talk into the mic. And once you are satisfied with the outcome, you will just click on OK, and this is going to remove the echo from your audio track in Audacity. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.